Fellas, give yourselves up. Okay.
Hancock's latest act of so-called heroics has once again enraged city officials.
I can smell that liquor on your breath.
Cause I've been drinking, bitch.
Hancock, I knew you'd come.
I do public relations. People don't like you, Hancock.
Do I look like I care what people think?
I think you're wasting your time with this guy.
Right now, there's a DA trying to figure out how to come up here and put you in jail. I say go.
He's not gonna go.
People take you for granted, you know? We gotta make people miss you.
You don't move, your head is going up his ass.
Jail watch day 5 and crime is still on the rise.
You got a phone call. It's the chief of police. It says he needs your help.
You have a calling. You're a hero, Hancock. You're gonna be miserable the rest of your life until you accept that.
Life here can be difficult for me. After all, I'm the only one of my kind. You deserve better from me, I will be better. I ain't wearing that. What? It's a little tight. Hancock! I need you to end this!
I have permission to touch your body!
Yes!
It's not sexual! Maybe on a different day?
Hancock is down. He looks hurt.
That's it. Make it look hard.